Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn quadrilaterals and polygons together, step by step. A polygon's interior angles always follow a formula. For n sides, the angles add up to n-2 times 180 degrees. That's because every polygon splits into n-2 triangles. For a quadrilateral, 4 minus 2 is 2, times 180 gives 360 degrees. Every four-sided shape's angles total 360. Parallelograms are special quadrilaterals where opposite sides are parallel and equal. Their opposite angles match, and the diagonals cut each other exactly in half. Rectangles, rhombuses, and squares are all parallelograms with extra rules. A rectangle adds right angles, a rhombus adds equal sides, and a square has both. Let's find the angle sum of a hexagon, which has 6 sides. Plug into the formula. 6 minus 2 is 4, times 180 gives 720 degrees. If the hexagon is regular, all angles are equal, so divide 720 by 6. Each interior angle measures 120 degrees. The formula works for any polygon. In parallelogram ABCD, angle A is 70 degrees. Opposite angles are equal, so angle C is also 70. Consecutive angles in a parallelogram are supplementary. They add to 180, so angle B equals 180 minus 70, which is 110 degrees. Two simple rules give you every angle in the shape. To sum up, any polygon's angles total n-2 times 180, so a quadrilateral is 360. Parallelograms have equal opposite sides and angles, with diagonals that bisect each other. The rectangle, rhombus, and square just add special features. Know the family tree, and you can classify and solve any quadrilateral problem. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.